Cockroaches are a common problem in many houses and apartments, especially in urban areas. In addition to being repugnant, they can transmit diseases and cause allergies in some people. Although there are many chemical products on the market to control these pests, many of them can be dangerous to human health. Fortunately, there are some natural and effective ways to get rid of cockroaches at home without the need for harmful chemicals. In this video, we will present a safe and effective natural solution with only 3 ingredients: sugar, baking soda, and toothpaste. The sugar will attract cockroaches because they have a highly developed palate and are attracted to sweet foods. Baking soda acts as a dehydrating agent, and when cockroaches consume it, they become dehydrated, which leads to death. In addition, baking soda can also help neutralize the odor that cockroaches leave, which can help repel them. Toothpaste, in addition to attracting cockroaches, contains some chemicals such as fluoride that can be toxic to insects. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of baking soda, 3 tablespoons of toothpaste. How to make: add the sugar, baking soda, and toothpaste in a bowl. Mix well with a spoon and divide into smaller containers, such as plastic pots or lids. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Spread around the house in places where cockroaches stay and/or pass. Check the containers regularly and replace the mixture when it dries out or becomes filled with dead cockroaches. Important: make sure to keep the mixture away from children and pets, as baking soda can be dangerous if ingested in large quantities. To prevent cockroach infestations, here are some preventive measures you can take. Regular cleaning. Cockroaches are attracted to leftover food and dirt. Keep the kitchen, pantry, and food preparation areas clean and free of crumbs and food debris. Clean the house regularly, especially the kitchen, bathrooms, and areas where food is stored. Sealing cracks. Cockroaches can enter very small spaces, so make sure all cracks and holes are covered. Check for cracks in walls, floors, baseboards, and pipes and seal them with silicone or putty. Properly store food. Cockroaches can chew on paper or plastic packaging to reach food. Store in airtight containers, including pet food, to prevent cockroaches from accessing them. Eliminate moisture. Cockroaches are attracted to damp areas, so keep damp areas like bathrooms and kitchens as dry as possible. Make sure water leaks are repaired and keep the house well ventilated. If the infestation persists, hire a professional exterminator to treat the house with safe and effective chemicals to eliminate cockroaches.